Hey, Caleb Dennison with Digital Trends. We are at the CEDIA Media Preview. This is basically a room full of exhibitors that are trying to give us sort of a look at what we can expect to see on the show floor. And I did a lot of pacing around. I was starting to wonder, am I going to find something really cool to show here? I just did. In fact, I think I kind of hit the gold mine. Behind me right now is Monoprice. Now, Monoprice, if you're not familiar with them, you should be. They have a great accessory selection, some of the best prices that you'll find out there. But recently, the company started getting into audio. They produced some really cool amps and some very inexpensive but high-performance speakers and subwoofers. Now they're going into an entirely new territory. So let me show you what we've got here. First, we don't have a model number on this, but we will see this coming in the fall. All of this will come in the fall. This is a new tube headphone amp. So it's got a 2496 kilohertz DAC built right in, Bluetooth 4.0. As you can see, it's going to have that warm tube output. Quarter-inch jack in the front. Of course, you could use an adapter if you wanted to. This is only $139, okay? 140 bucks for this guy. And from what I've heard from their tube amps in the past, I've been really impressed. So I expect some really cool stuff from this. This would make a great desktop companion as well because it's got a line out for powered speakers if you wanted to do that with a little desktop system. Very cool. The next are the first planar magnetic headphones from Monoprice. Now, these are cool because you've got removable wooden exteriors here, so you can go with an open back or closed back design, really strong magnets. Same with the ear cups, you can actually pull those off, pop them right back on. They're a planar magnetic headphone for just $200. This is really robust construction. Nice soft elasticized headband at the top, really plush ear cups. I expect these will sound pretty great. Again, $200 coming in the fall. Now, taking on the recent craze from companies like Audeze and Oppo is now this is a prototype pair, but this is a full-size open-back planar magnetic headphone. This is going to be just $400. Compare that to the $1,600 or $3,000 models of the same sort. I think that's going to be a pretty tremendous value. But now I want to move out of personal audio and get towards more of the home theater side of things. What you're going to see here is an air motion tweeter, okay? That's a folded ribbon tweeter. You see this in speakers like Martin Logan's and Golden Ear technology. This is part of a brand new line from Monoprice called Monolith, and this is aimed at the high-end home theater enthusiast. I really like the tapered shape of the cabinet here. It's got a nice looking 5 1/4 inch driver down at the bottom. That speaker is going to go for $200 each or just $400 a pair, all right? We move over here to the Monolith Air Motion Cinema center channel. This is a really beefy looking center channel. In fact, I tried to pick it up earlier and I almost couldn't get it off the table. We're talking about really solid construction. That's a solid MDF cabinet in there, internal bracing, and again with the folded motion tweeter here. This is just $300 for what looks like an exceptionally high-end center channel. And then finally, and I think these are the ones that I'm most excited about, for you audiophiles out there, this is the Monolith K-Base Reference series bookshelf speaker. They tell me it gets down to about like 33, 35 hertz, which is exceptionally low. We've got an inverted midwoofer and tweeter design going on here with the bass port at the back. Again, exceptionally solid construction. Now, if you want to power all of that, there is the Monolith 7-channel power amplifier. This thing is an absolute beast. This came out earlier this year, and so far the reception has been really strong. Now, I haven't heard any of this. I can't vouch for it just yet, but I am headed to Monoprice's booth later in the show, and I will update this post with my first impressions on the sound quality.